God used Cyrus king of Persia, that the word of the Lord by the mouth of Jeremiah might be fulfilled, to return his people to Jerusalem. Cyrus the king also brought out the vessels of the house of the Lord that Nebuchadnezzar had carried away from Jerusalem, and placed in the house of his gods. While back in Jerusalem, then arose Jeshua the son of Jozadak, with his fellow priests, and Zerubbabel the son of Shealtiel with his kinsmen, and they built the altar of the God of Israel. From the first day of the 7th month, they began to offer burnt offerings to the Lord. When the builders laid the foundation of the temple of the Lord, they all praised the Lord, according to the directions of David king of Israel. Thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his steadfast love endures forever toward Israel. Their adversaries reported to Artaxerxes, saying, if this city is rebuilt and the walls finished, they will not pay tribute, custom, or toll, and the royal revenue will be impaired. In response, King Artaxerxes' letter forced to cease the rebuilding. Then the work on the house of God that is in Jerusalem stopped, and it ceased until the 2nd year of the reign of Darius king of Persia, who gave you a decree to build this house and to finish this structure. Ask the governors who were in the province beyond the river. A scroll was found on which this was written, a record signed by Cyrus the king. Cyrus the king issued a decree, concerning the house of God at Jerusalem, let the house be rebuilt. I, Darius, make a decree. Let it be done with all diligence. The returned exiles kept the Passover, and by every one who had joined them and separated himself from the uncleanness of the peoples of the land to worship the Lord, the God of Israel. They kept the Feast of Unleavened Bread 7 days with joy, for the Lord had made them joyful. For God turned the heart of the king of Assyria to them, so that he aided them in the work of the house of God, the God of Israel.